In Lafayette, homeowners are no strangers to warm temperatures, high humidity, and the need for dependable indoor comfort. Keeping your home cool in the summer and comfortable year-round often comes down to how well it's sealed and insulated, and your windows play a major role in that performance. If you're considering a window upgrade, Awning Windows offer impressive energy efficiency advantages that make them a smart choice for Lafayette homes. Here's why. A naturally tight seal against air leaks. One of the biggest causes of energy loss in homes is air leakage around windows. Awning windows are uniquely designed to minimize this problem. Hinged at the top and opening outward from the bottom, awning windows create a compression seal when closed. As the window shuts, the sash presses tightly against the frame. This design reduces gaps and prevents outside air from seeping in. In Lafayette's warm climate, this tight seal helps keep hot, humid air outside, maintain cooler indoor temperatures, reduce strain on your air conditioning system compared to older sliding or single-hung windows. Awning windows are often significantly more airtight. Reduced cooling costs during hot summers. Lafayette summers can be long and humid, making energy efficiency a top priority. When your windows allow heat to enter, your cooling system has to work harder to maintain comfort. Modern awning windows often include double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas between panes. Low E glass reflects solar heat while still allowing natural light inside. This reduces heat gain and keeps rooms cooler during peak sunlight hours. By minimizing heat transfer, awning windows can help lower monthly cooling bills and improve overall home efficiency. Energy-saving ventilation options. Energy efficiency isn't just about insulation, it's also about smart airflow. Awning windows can be opened during mild weather to allow fresh air in without letting in rain. Their outward tilt acts like a small shield, deflecting light showers while still providing ventilation. In Lafayette's transitional seasons, this allows homeowners to reduce reliance on air conditioning, improve indoor air circulation, maintain comfort. Naturally, strategic ventilation helps control indoor humidity levels, which is especially beneficial in a humid climate. Ideal for hard-to-reach areas, awning windows are often installed higher on walls or above sinks and countertops. This placement makes them perfect for kitchens and bathrooms, two areas where moisture control is important. By allowing controlled ventilation in these spaces, awning windows help reduce indoor humidity buildup. Lower humidity levels contribute to better comfort and improved energy efficiency. Durable frame materials for long-term performance. Energy-efficient windows must also withstand local weather conditions. Many awning windows are built with vinyl or fiberglass frames, both of which resist moisture damage and warping. In Lafayette's humid environment, durable frames maintain tight seals, resist expansion and contraction, require minimal maintenance. Stable materials ensure that the window continues to perform efficiently over time. Enhanced insulation against drafts. While Lafayette winters are generally mild, occasional cold fronts can make drafts noticeable. Awning windows compression seal helps block chilly air from entering during cooler months. This insulation helps maintain steady indoor temperatures and reduces heating costs when temperatures drop. A smart upgrade for Lafayette homes' energy efficiency is about long-term savings and year-round comfort. Awning windows deliver both by combining tight seals, advanced glass technology, and durable materials. For Lafayette homeowners looking to reduce energy waste, manage humidity, and keep cooling costs under control, awning windows provide a practical and effective solution. By upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows, you're not just improving your home's appearance, you're investing in better performance, lower energy bills, and a more comfortable living environment every season of the year.